Welcome to Success Route. This is Shiva Reddy. Today we will discuss it as what is the difference between SUM and SUMX. See, we will enter into the topic. See, the first we will discuss it as a SUM function. To getting the total value of particular column, we can go with as a SUM function. For this SUM function, the return type it has a scalar value. The SUM function majorly we can use it as a to getting like a total values, like total sales, like total quantity. In such kind of scenarios, we can go with as a SUM function. For this, the syntax is sum of column name. So now we can see this into practical approach. See, in PowerBI desktop, I have extracted that financial data. See here, I'm creating it as a new measure. That new measure purpose here, why I'm choosing the new measure means for this return type it has a scalar value. So that I have selected it as a new measure, like a total sales. Total sales equal to like a sum of the column name I'm writing here, financial sales. The measure is ready. To showing this measure information, here I'm selecting it as a card visual. In this card visual, I'm displaying the total sales measure. Okay, next function is SUMX. See, this some point of view, we cannot able to do on top of expression. We cannot able to get it as a total value on top of expression. So that's why we can go with as a SUMX function. See, practically we can see that the functionality of some function, how it won't work this on the expressions point of view. See, sum of like a gross sales minus gross sales minus sales. If I'm trying to write it, then it will throw it as a error. It is not showing the column names and all. That is the drawback of SUM function. So to overcome this, we can move into a SUMX function. These on top of SUMX function, basically we can use it as to getting the total value of expression. See this, whatever the expression we will write there, that expression, each and every row it will evaluate, each and every row it will do the calculation. So that's why this function we can call it as a iteration functions. For this SUMX function also, return type it as a scalar value. The SUMX function syntax is SUMX of table name comma expression. Let's see, we can jump into PowerBI desktop. This also we can see into practically. See here, I have selected it as a new measure. Like in our data point of view, here we don't have a discount column. Here we don't have discount column, but we need to get it as a total discount. So if we want to get it as a total discount, we need to do gross sales minus sales, and on top of that we need to get it as a total value. So that's why we can go with as a SUMX function. See, I'm creating it as new measure, total discount equal to SUMX of table name is financial sales as per the syntax, comma, expression we need to write. The expression is gross sales minus sales. Gross sales minus sales. So that is the expression. That row, that whatever the expression here we have written, that internally it will evaluate each and every row, and that it will store it into the output. See now for this to showing the purpose, I'm creating it as a new visual, that is card. That card point of view, I am displaying it as a measure. See, this is the difference of SUM and SUMX. I'm giving the final overview, and on top of column, if you want to get it as a total value, then we can go with as a SUM function. On top of expression, if you want to get the total value, then we can go with as a SUMX function. It is X function, SUMX function is the iteration function. Why? Because of it will do the calculation row by row.